Una welcome to Guffey TV. This na Pidgin Tori Global. Na here will be the official headquarters of correct foreign gist wey go dey drop like hot amala for plate. Na everything wey dey shelle for abroad we go dey talk for here, but na for our own Naija pidgin. Whether na wetin dey happen for White House, UK Parliament, Israel Palestine, Russia Ukraine, or even wahala for China, e no go pass your ear. You sef go dey hear am clear clear. Whether na wetin dey happen for here, we no go use grammar confuse you. Na pure street pidgin we go use break down all the matter: politics, war, economy, climate change, celebrity wahala, anything wey dey concern the world, we go dey bring am home come give you. Na so we wan take make sure say even mama wey dey sell ogbono for market fit understand wetin dey happen for inside UN meeting. So abeg make una subscribe, make una like, make una press that notification bell, because this na wetin you no go like dey miss. Una welcome to Guffey TV for Pidgin Tori Global, where foreign tori dey drop like kpangolo for pidgin wey dey sweet. Every day we dey here for una. The first one for today tori na from Washington DC. Wahala burst for Washington DC as two Israeli embassy workers, Sarah Lemigrim and Yarin Lishinsky don die for shooting wey happen for one event for Capitol Jewish Museum. Police don grab 30-year-old suspect Elias Rodriguez. As dem arrest am, e dey shout say "Free Palestine." Authorities talk say dem go investigate to check if the matter get any terrorism link. Israel embassy say the two victims be couple and dem still dey their prime. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu don order extra security for embassies around the world. Foreign Minister Gideon Saar blamed the attack on anti-Semitic hate speech wey dey increase for everywhere for the world. US President Trump talk say the attack na very sad one and e clearly show anti-Semitism. Investigation still dey go on. After the wahala wey happen for Washington, where two Israeli embassy workers die, Israeli politicians don begin point fingers give themselves. Right-wing people like Bezalel Smotrich talk say they blame left-wing politician Yair Golan, say na im kind talk dey cause this kind wahala. But Golan no gree o. E reply say na the unpopular right-wing government make people dey vex and dey do all this kind violent attack. Now serious back and forth blame game dey go on now. Why everybody dey wait for Israeli Foreign Ministry press conference wey go shed light on wetin go happen next for the investigation. Wetin dey happen for Gaza no dey funny at all. And for Middle East, wetin dey happen for Gaza no dey funny at all. Israeli army don increase bombings, especially for area near Al-Adwa Hospital, wey be one of the few hospitals wey still dey work for northern Gaza. Hospital people talk say Israeli bomb knack one of their main medical warehouse and fire don burst everywhere. Up till now, they never fit quench the fire. The kind attack go cause serious kasala for how aid dey move reach people. Up till now, no single aid truck don enter northern Gaza. If dem still dey fire where aid suppose pass, how aid wan reach people? Aid workers sef no go wan risk their life waka for ground if bomb fit meet dem anytime. This one fit spoil all the arrangements to help people wey need am pass. And from UK, now one last-minute court order don pause UK government plans to hand over Chagos Island give Mauritius. Around 2:25 a.m. BST, Justice Goose grants interim relief to two Chagosian women wey sue the Foreign Office. Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer bin suppose do virtual signing of the deal with Mauritius today, but the court wahala don hold am. The agreement go return Chagos Island to Mauritius, but UK and US go still use their military base there for 99 years. The exact amount of billions wey UK go pay Mauritius never clear, but it go cost taxpayers well. Government no wan talk plenty. Dem just say the deal na to protect UK people and national security. The two women wey carry the matter go court want make dem fit return go live for Chagos, but both current and new deals still no allow that one. The judge order say UK must first wait for signing or to finalize anything about the transfer until further notice. E talk say UK must keep their control over the islands for now. And for Australia, serious flood don hit New South Wales for Australia, kill 2 people and 2 still dey miss. Over 50,000 people don get warning, say make them ready to run comot for their house if water level rise again. Authorities say this rain no be small. E worse pass wetin plenty residents don ever see before. Dem even declare am as natural disaster. na slow-moving, low-pressure area cause the wahala. Over 2,000 rescue workers dey on ground. Some people even sleep on top of their roof overnight before dem fit help them. New South Wales Premier Chris Minns talk say we never safe yet and beg people make dem dey follow emergency broadcast as more rain fit still fall this weekend. Over 100 schools don close and thousands of homes no get light again. Evacuation centers don open for people wey no fit stay for their house. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese don send condolence to victims and promise support from federal government. And the last one for today, Nike don talk say from June 1st, dem go raise price for some of their sneakers and clothes just few weeks after Adidas first talk say US tariff wahala dey force dem to do the same thing. Even though say Nike no call Trump tariff directly, dem say na mix of internal and external reasons cause the adjustment. But as most of their goods na made in Asia, wey dey under Trump tariff radar, e clear say na one of the big reasons be that. Right now, US don still wait small for bigger tariffs until July, but the base 10% import tax still dey affect goods from countries like China, Vietnam, and Indonesia, where they produce plenty of Nike shoes. So starting from June 1st, most of Nike's shoes wey cost pass $100 go jump price by up to 10%. Clothes and sports gears go add between 2 to 10%. No, sorry, I'll take that place again. So starting from June 1, most Nike shoes wey cost pass $100 go jump price by up to $10. Clothes and sports gears go add between $2 to $10 as well. But some items go escape the hike. Air Force Ones, shoes wey ship pass $100, children's products, and Jordan branded items no go join the price increase. Nike say dem dey always review price during seasonal planning, and this one follow the usual routine. Dem still never confirm whether the price increase go affect only US or the whole world. As e be now, JD Sports and other retailers don dey worry say higher US prices fit make customers slow down how much dem dey spend. Na the Tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.